VLA VR Glass, the world's first XR smart glasses, which supports Apple iPhone 15 series mobile phones, will be launched soon. VLA VR Glass smart glasses use the new Type-C interface to achieve perfect connection with Apple iPhone 15 series mobile phones, providing you with the same visual experience as Apple Vision Pro. At the same time, the entire VLA VR Glass smart glasses system is compatible with other smartphone systems, such as those used by Android and other Apple products, so that no matter what phone you own, you can easily enjoy the visual feast brought by VLA VR Glass smart glasses. VLA VR Glass smart glasses weigh only 70 grams, making them the lightest ones currently known in the XR smart glasses market. The glasses are equipped with a 1000-inch head-mounted display with a binocular 4K resolution and a directional sound chamber at the temple emits sound outwards. Without the need of Bluetooth, the glasses allow you to immerse yourself in the comprehensive using experience. Whenever you can enjoy IMAX movies, IMAX mobile games, and even the ability to watch esports games online. As a portable Android TV device for AI glasses, Rokid Station brings your favorite apps with Google Play.